Good morning children. In our today's class, we learn standard form. The numbers are given in an expanded. Otherwise, in the enlarged form they given. By seeing that number, by writing the place value of that number, what we did? We find out the standard form of that answer. At first, I will give the answers of yesterday's class. So children, open your textbook and you have to see your answers by observing my answer. What you have to do, if any mistake means, you have to make a circle and write on the correct answer of that. And I always told that send me the complete homework. Here what I did, I told you to rewrite in a notebook, but many of you not written in the notebook. If not written, today you have to complete and you have to send it to me. In today's class, we will see the next exercise. Exercise 2.6 contain comparing 5-digit number. We already learned how to compare 4-digit number and how we have to insert the greater than, smaller than and is equal to sign. We learned. Once again we will learn how to compare the 5-digit numbers. Study these steps to compare 2 or more 5-digit number. One by one we will see the steps. Okay, here I wrote you 6 examples. With these 6 examples we will learn how to compare 5-digit number. At first, what we will do? We will write the places as ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 place. A digit containing ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. While comparing the numbers, at first we have to compare the bigger place. Means we have to compare the first place. Which is the first place here? We are having 10,000 place. Here in the place of 10,000 we are having different numbers. We are having digit 6 and digit 1 we are having. Now easily we can identify which is the bigger or which is the smaller number. You don't bother about the remaining digit. If we are having different digit in the 10,000 place means just we have to see the 10,000 place. At present we have to compare either number 6 is bigger or 1 is bigger. See here, number 6 is bigger or 1 is bigger. Number 6 is bigger. So the sign is inserted like this. Means the open mouth is towards the bigger number. Mr. Crocodile wants to eat the bigger fish. Means a fish which containing bigger number. Here number 6 is the bigger. So the mouth is open towards the bigger number. Here we will write the digit and the place which we compared. We compared which place? 10,000 place. So write down as 10,000s. 10,000s. Here, which digits we compared? 6 and 1. These two digits we compared, 6 and 1. Which is the bigger now? Number 6 is the bigger. So we have to insert the sign like this. Okay? This we already learned. Which digit we compared as well as the place which we compared we have to write here. Next, if the digits we are having same in the 10,000 place. See children, this is ones, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. No need to write for every number. Just we have to be perfect with the digits. If we are having same digit in the 10,000 means what we have to do? We have to compare to the next place. We have to compare to the next place in case we are having same digit in the first place. Means in the 10,000 place. We compare to the next, that is thousands place. We are having digit 2 and 9. Which is the bigger one? Number 9 is the bigger. So mouth is open towards the bigger one. Means the mouth is open towards the bigger number. The sign of the mouth is open towards the bigger. So which place we compared here? Thousands. Write down as thousands. This is the place we compared. And the digits, which are the digits? 2 and 9 we are having. Digit 2 and 9 we compared. Number 9 is the bigger bigger number, so you have to write the place as well as the digit of comparison. Next, at first compare the 10,000 place. If you are having same is, compare to the next. That is 1000th place. If we are having same in a 1000th place also means, then we have to compare to the next place. That is 100th place. 1 and 0. Which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger digit? 1 is the bigger one. So open mouth is towards the bigger number. Which is this place? Ones, tens and the hundreds. Write down as HUNDREDS. Hundreds. And the digit what I have to write here? 1 and 0. Which is the bigger digit? 1 is the bigger digit. Here we wrote the place and the digit which we compare. Next, going to the next example. First we have to compare the 10,000. If we are having same digit means compare to the next, that is 100. Always we have to follow same step. First we have to compare to the first place, that is 10,000. Then we have to compare to the 1000th place. If we are having same in a 1000 also, then compare 100. Here also we are having same digit. Next we have to compare to the 100. If we are having same digit in the all place means, we have to go on comparing the next. 9 and 4. Which is the bigger number? 9 is the bigger one. So the sign mouth is open towards the bigger. Which is this place? Tens. Write down as the tens. And the digits. Which are the digits? 9 and 4. Digit 9 is the bigger one. So we have to keep the sign. Otherwise we have to insert the greater than sign. Going to the next. Always compare the 10,000 at first. Next 1,000. Hundreds we are having same digit. In tens also we are having same digit. Means we have to compare to the last place. Which is the last place? Ones place. In ones place we are having digit 1 and 8. Which is the bigger digit? Means which is the bigger number? 8 is the bigger. Here don't get confused about the sign. Here open mouth is always towards the bigger number. We already learned one of the story on this one. Crocodile must eat bigger fish. Means a fish which is containing bigger number. Here digit 8 is the bigger. So the mouth of the sign is open towards the bigger number. Which place we compare? We compare to the ones place. Digit 1 and 8 we compare. Which is the bigger digit? 8 is the bigger one. So we have to insert the smaller than sign. Understood, children? Now one more example. First 10,000 we are having same. In 1,000 also we are having same. Next we are having different in the hundreds place. 4 and 3. Number 4 is the bigger one. We have to insert the sign like this. And which place we compare? HUNDREDS. Hundreds place we compare. 4 and 3 are the digit which we compare. Okay? Sorry. First we have see these 4 and 3 are the digits we compare. Digit 4 is the bigger while comparing to 3. So we have to insert the greater than sign and then the bracket of this one. Understood, children? First we have to compare the 10,000. If having same digit 1,000. If having same digit in 1,000 also. Next 100, tens. At last once we have to compare and we have to insert the sign. What's your homework means? At first very neatly these examples you have to copy it down in a notebook in a one time. Afterwards we will see some more examples in the textbook. In the page number 101 we are having. So children, at first copy it down, then open the textbook, page number 101. See children, page number 101. Comparing 5-digit numbers. These all the steps we already learnt on the board. Next, insert greater than, smaller than, sign, write the place and the digit you comparing. Only one example I will show you. At first we had to compare to the first place. We have in digit 1 and 4. Which is the bigger number? 4 is the bigger. So we had to insert the sign such a way that the sign mouth is open towards the bigger number. Which is this place? Which place is this? This is 10,000 place. So write it as TEN 10 THOUSA and DS 10 thousands. And the digit what we compared means which are the digit we compared? 1 and 4. Which is the bigger digit now? 4 is the bigger one. So you have to say insert the sign like this. Understood this one? We had to write the digit of comparison and the place of comparison. At last we had to compare the 10,000. If we are having same means compare to the 100. Here also we are having same means we have to compare to the next, that is 100. 7 and 4. Which is the bigger? 7 is the bigger. So which place we compare? HUNDREDS. Hundreds. Digits which we compare? 7 and 4. 7 is the bigger one. So we had to insert the sign like this. This is our classwork. Remaining are your homework. Neatly you had to complete in a textbook at first. Then you had to rewrite. If not you rewrite in a notebook means this is considering as a absent. Okay. Rewrite in a notebook. Bye.